Is there really a difference between this keyboard and this keyboard? Well, besides look and sound, the price alone will have you shocked. This is the Dierya T83. It's a plastic house keyboard with an opaque plastic around it that allows light to shine through. Also, it features a knob that can be used for audio controls and other features if you download their software, which only works on Windows. It is height adjustable with 3 different settings and has soft rubber feet if you have a smooth surface to prevent sliding of the keyboard. As for some accessories that are included, it comes with a keycap switch combo in one and a braided nylon detachable USB-A to USB-C cable for the board. However though, the USB-A side does look a little bit funky. As for the keycaps, they are a double shot putting keycap to really let the RGB glow through. Here's a couple different looks of the RGB glow that come through. You've got your different waves as well as full-on colorations. And I think this is my favorite one. It's kind of got that nice pastel mute look to it, which I really enjoy. They sit on top of either red or brown switches. I opted for the red switches in my case. They were developed by their parent company, TMKB or KeyMove, specifically for this Dierya product line. Now, before jumping into feeling and typing sound, let's go over some of the features. But if you're primarily here for that, you can jump to the timestamp below. It's also gasket mounted, which they say has great key feel and quiet typing. Now, for that key feel, when they call it that they have pudding keycaps, that's honestly what it feels like when I'm typing on this board. I'm not sure what exactly gives it that mushy kind of feeling. It just doesn't feel great though. Whether it's a combination of the gasket, switch, or the keycaps, it doesn't feel great to me. But what is nice though is this wireless capability, whether it's via Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz dongle, which can be attached to the bottom of the keyboard itself. Utilizing this 8000 mAh battery, it's rated for 12 hours with the lights on, as well as 30 days with them all off. Now, I've only had to charge it once since picking this board up. Granted, I do use my GMMK Pro as a daily driver because I think I personally enjoy tactile switches more. Please don't hate me, Team Linear, but I think that's what I prefer. Hi, for those of you that jumped from the timestamp below, here's the stock sound of the test of the keyboard. If you enjoyed this sound test, hit that like button down below, and if you didn't, comment why it was not soothing to your ears. Personally, I think the sound is pretty decent compared to my GMMK Pro, but I really couldn't get over this typing experience on it. The only thing I've tried is swapping the switches and keycaps to another linear switch. Here I have the Gateron Blacks and the GMMK PBT Pudding keycaps, and it makes it feel a bit nicer already, and here's a quick demo of what that sounds like. Now, if you're in the market for a 75% keyboard for that small form factor, which works wirelessly and provides a clean look on the desk, as well as featuring a knob, which I enjoy the look of. However though, I would highly recommend picking up some other switchers and different keycaps that fit your style and typing feel. I wish I knew more about this board when I first started venturing into the keyboard community, so I wouldn't have jumped right into the GMMK Pro. but I do love that board, especially how it sounds and feels. You can check that link up over here. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.